The second thing I'd like to talk to you about is what kinds of damage generally occur, and which types of damage can actually be repaired and which cannot. The most common type of damage is, of course, a chip in the glass. Chips on windshields usually happen because of rocks flying up from the car in front of you. These could be pieces of gravel, or even studs from another car's tires. At high speeds, they hit the windshield and create a small micro crater in the glass, from which tiny rays, or cracks, spread out. These are called chips. Chips can come in different forms. They can look like a star, or they can be shaped like a crescent. There are also round chips without any cracks. This type is also known as a bullseye. There are also chips that look like a sun, meaning a round chip like a bullseye with small cracks or rays spreading out from the center. There are also chips from which cracks extend. The cracks can be short, or they can be long. And of course, there are also cracks themselves. Cracks can also appear on a car's windshield if a stone hits the glass. A chip might not form, but a crack does. This most often happens when a stone hits the edge of the glass, where the stress is highest. So, when a stone hits the edge of the glass, a thin crack forms. One part of the crack might go all the way to the edge, while the other part could, for example, extend toward the middle of the glass. Cracks can come in different sizes. They can be short, for example, up to 5 or 10 centimeters. A crack can also be long, half a meter or even more, for instance.